Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Bissell 20781 PowerEdge Lift-Off Hardwood Floor Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: steam in under a minute. If you're hosting some guests and don't have a lot of time to prepare, or you just want to straighten up the house after a long day, you won't be waiting long for the steam mop's water to heat to a boiling temperature. Our tester clocked the heating time at right under 30 seconds. Easy release reservoir. With a 10-ounce capacity, the reservoir is not bulky. In fact, you can cradle it in your hand while you fill it up at your sink, preventing tip-overs. The reservoir has a rubber stopper that tightly seals the water inlet. This means it won't leak while you mop. Even if the steam mop gets jostled or shaken, that water is staying put. Uniquely shaped floor head. One distinctive feature on this Bissell steam mop is its floor head. The floor head is rather wide, boasting a cleaning path of 11.8 inches, which allows you to make the most of your valuable time. With the steam mop, you get a washable microfiber pad with a thick elastic band. This band makes quick work of securing the pad to the floor head. Sanitizes any sealed floor. When you have a pet, a baby who crawls, or a toddler who's learning to walk, you don't want to coat your floors with harsh chemicals. The Bissell PowerEdge only utilizes the power of steam to sanitize every sealed surface in your house by destroying 99% of germs with which it comes into contact. Lift off and go. Bissell's lift-off technology allows you to channel the 1,500-watt mop steam and apply it to the above floor surfaces, children's toys and tile work in your home. Removing the handheld steam cleaner is equivalent to disassembling the steam mop. Start by pushing the release button between the body and the floor head and lift the body up and away from the floor head. Then, remove the wand by pushing the button above the tank and pull the wand up until it separates from the handheld steamer. 2 steps, and it's done. A pair of tools. The strength of steam is incredible, however, sometimes you need more than just steam to clean a mess. Bissell includes 2 specialized tools for this purpose. One tool is the grout tool. Like its name, this tool is ideal for brightening grout and removing dirt from crevices. The second tool is a bristled scrub brush that works in conjunction with the steam to eliminate sticky grime from counters and faucets. Pros: swivel steering feature helps to easily clean corners and edges. 3 levels of intelligent steam control make cleaning easier. On-demand spray feature helps excess use of formula while cleaning. Handheld tools allow for cleaning countertops and tables. Triangle mop shape for easily cleaning corners. Cons: small water reservoir. Only comes with one mop head.